Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add color to your videos in Blender. So select new, video editing, and you're just going to open up a black and white video. Of course, I'm just going to select it and drag it here, and you can add it to whichever channel you want. I'm just going to place it here though. It doesn't really matter, but anyways, you're going to go to modifiers, and then you're going to then go to add strip modifier and select the color balance. And you're just going to add color by this. You're just going to set it to whichever like color you want. I'm just going to try to make it like a more kind of like vintage sepia color, if you will. But you can kind of like adjust it here as well, like the lightness and darkness of the video. And that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.